Okay, so let's get started on these orchid nails. I came up with this custom stencil idea. This is another thing that came to me in a dream. We're doing the deep French, hitting it with white. Now, what I'm using, I use always when I'm doing airbrush nail art, acrylic, water-based airbrush paints, unless I specify that I'm using gel. The ones I'm using specifically here are the One Air brand. This custom stencil I end up cutting because I had a dream. I have an orchid. A client gave it to me when my dog passed, and it was dying. So I was just looking up stuff and how to bring it back to life, blah blah, whatever. And that's when I was like, "Ooh, I could airbrush some nails." Now, this is what some people don't know. If you yank the trigger back just ever so slightly, paint will collect on the edge of the airbrush needle, and then you can like pop little bulbs of paint onto your design and give it like a splatter effect. I did the orchid in four pieces essentially, but three of them are the flower petals because it has those different petals. I don't know what they're called. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am not a horticulturalist. Remove all my stencils. This is how everything came out, and I feel like I did a really good job, especially from those that came from a dream. Now, if you would create this look or even create stencils like this, go ahead and comment below what you think. Is this something you think that you would wear or that you think that you would do? I feel like it came really good, especially since I didn't have to hand paint it. All right, guys, until next time, bye.